Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's have a quick look at some of the option strategies that have been used and can be used. If higher prices are to be expected, buying call and selling put vertical may be suitable. If lower prices are to be expected, buying put and selling call vertical may be suitable. If the price is expected to be range bound, buying a butterfly and selling iron condor can be used to capture the profits. If the price is expected to be range bound and also has the potential to move in a direction, it could be a bullish direction or a bearish direction. Buying a broken wing butterfly can be used to capture the profits. More strategies and explanations can be seen from the website. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of BTLLF. With the rise in cryptocurrencies, blockchain companies will stand to gain a lot in time to come. I would like to capture this gain, and thus I've invested into this company BTLLF. Entry was on 14 November and the price surged through the roof within 34 days with a 100% returns. The trade was exited on 18 December. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $5.50 and exit price of $11. With more and more funds flowing into the crypto world, taking note and selecting the better companies with ROI is crucial. A 100% gain in this trade within 34 days. Let's have a look at the chart of GAHC. This is another great win in a blockchain company. During this period, blockchain companies will continue to grow as cryptocurrencies continue to surge to new highs. This is especially true as the masses are not in yet. The trade was exited on 19 December. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 0.015 and exit price of 0.061. The careful selection of the blockchain companies is crucial in this trade. A nice 300% gain for this trade in 35 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MRK. The entry was on 6 November and the movement of the stock has encountered some ups and downs after entry. The final push for an exit occurred on 13 December. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $1.42 and exit price of $2.25. A nice 58% gain for this trade in 37 days. Let's have a look at the chart of FSM. Entry was on 24th October. There's a roller coaster movement of the price after entry. With the big money behind this play, I'm confident that the price will eventually go higher. The price indeed went higher in December. The trade was exited on 27 December. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of 80 cents and exit price of up to $1.27. Big money placement is crucial in this trade. A nice 59% gain for this trade in 64 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under Trade, Portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.